Hello guys. So in last lecture we have defined the material type. In this lecture we'll see how to define number ranges for that material type. Whenever you are going to create material against the material type you have developed or you have defined, so system will provide unique number range to that material whichever you will create, either from the internal number assignment or from the external number assignment. So what is internal and external number assignment and how we can define the number range for each material type, that we'll see in this lecture. We can use the T code MMNR for the same, but we'll go with the path. So path is SPRO, then SAP reference IMG, go to logistic general, material master. In material master, go to basic setting. In basic setting, you can go to the material type, and in material type, you can click on the node define number ranges for each material type. So before creating or going to the number range creation, we'll see the intervals. So here in the system, you can see whichever intervals are already there, either internal or external. So for understanding the internal, we'll see this 03 number range. So here you will get the from number and to number and as well as number range status. Number range status is nothing but the how many numbers you have been utilized or you have already utilized between this from number and to number, which is nothing but the number range. And it is external assignment is not tick here, that means it is internal number assignment. So whenever you are going to create material, system will automatically put the serial wise number from this range to the newly created material. This is internal number range. And second one is external number range, which is alphanumeric in nature. Okay, you can see the number range pattern as alphanumeric, and external tick is there. That means you can from this from number and to number, between the from number and to number, you can utilize any number which has been not used already. You need to put that number manually while creating the number. That is nothing but the external number range. And one important point, when you are creating the number range for your material type, that number range should not intersect with any of the number range available in the system. Otherwise, you will get the error like enter the number ranges without overlap. Okay. So this is how we can read the already available intervals in the system. Go back, then click on the group, maintain group. Provide here you can click on the create button, and here provide some meaningful name to the group. So I will provide material, raw material type number range, Pankaj. Just for the proper identification, I am providing the name. And here you need to select the number range which should not intersect with the existing number ranges. Okay, so I have already found one thing, one number range that I can utilize here. We'll see if it is intersecting or not. Okay, so see, no error message or warning message is there that it is not intersecting with any of the number ranges. Click on enter. This is internal number assignment. As you can see, there is no tick, and this is numeric in nature. So automatically unique number will be provided for the new material whichever will create against the material type. If you want external number range as well, then click on insert line and provide the external number range, which is alphanumeric in nature. Okay, this way you can provide the from and to number for the external number assignment. Click on enter and save these number ranges. Click on continue. So these numbers have been saved. Now in up to this step we have just saved the number ranges. We have not assigned these number ranges to our material type. So to assign the number ranges to our material type, one time go back. Here you can see non-assigned element, which means your material type has not been assigned to any of the number ranges, and our material type is 6ROH. Okay, so click on the number material type and then click on assign element group. Once you click on assign element group, search for the number range that you recently created. Okay, so if you go to scroll down to the right, you will see this number range, raw material type number range for Pankaj. Group is number range, number is HH, and number range number is hi. Both, if both are available, then you can select the that number range. So double click on it. Once you double click on it, you will see on the downside that the material type has been assigned to the group where we have defined our number ranges. Once done, click on save. So changes have been saved. So this way we can assign our number ranges to our material type. And if you go back to the number range interval, here also you can see our newly created number ranges. See, internal as well as external. So this way we can assign our number ranges as per requirement to our material type, so that our material whichever will create will get the automatic number from the internal number assignment, or if you are willing to update manually from the external number range, that also you can do. Okay, so thank you. This lecture we have completed the define number range for each material type step. Next one will